Brazil is struggling through its worst drought in decades, with many water reservoirs now dangerously low. The water shortage is so bad that some are coming up with surprisingly innovative ways to tackle the drought. Paulo Cabral reports.
What comes in as dirty, smelly sewage on one side of this plant comes out as recycled water on the other end. It's not pure enough for human or animal consumption, nor should it be used in agriculture, but it's just fine for many industrial applications, like cooling down furnaces.
This water recycling facility in the outskirts of Sao Paulo is the largest of its kind in Brazil. It's prepared to process 1,000 liters of sewage per second. Currently, their only customers are the companies of a petrochemical complex a few kilometers away from here. But recently, there's been a surge of interest in their product.
Interest in water reuse increased this year because of the severe drought that's depleted reservoirs in Brazil's southeast. Water rationing has been imposed in some parts of the country, and officials warned the metropolis of Sao Paulo could be next if the situation doesn't improve. Companies that already invest in water reuse say it's a good business strategy.
The water is a scarcity resource. We here in Brazil, we have a lot of water, but in some places there are some constraints. And we identified that that region of Sao Paulo could have some problems in the future. But this future arrived before than we expected. So the decision of supporting this project was mostly for operational guarantees.
Many companies still need to move for water use. For instance, here in Sao Paulo, we have the water consumption for industry about 7 cubic meters per second, and only 1.21 cubic meters per second is reused. So we have plenty of room to grow.
The United Nations has already warned that the risk of water scarcity is among the greatest facing the planet in coming decades. Investing in reuse can help companies cut costs while at the same time saving an important natural resource. Paulo Cabral, CCTV, São Paulo.